Every day, the world grows more connected, yet more complex, all powered by invisible networks pulsing with data and automation. Behind every click, every message, every transaction, a silent storm of systems works in the background, fast, invisible, and often out of control. Businesses face rising risks, inefficiency, and fading trust. They struggle to keep up with the speed of technology while trying to maintain what matters most: clarity and connection. Teams drown in dashboards, switching tools instead of solving problems, overwhelmed by information but starved for insight. And customers, they expect answers, instant, accurate, and secure. They want more than speed. They want trust. But what if intelligence could work for us, not overwhelm us? What if AI could bring clarity instead of chaos? Introducing a new era of intelligent systems built for control, ethics, and insight, where automation flows seamlessly and every process feels human again, where technology doesn't replace people, it empowers them. Your business saves time, reduces errors, and builds lasting trust. Every action becomes transparent, every connection secure. Because innovation earns trust only when it feels human, when it's guided by purpose, not power. From startups to global enterprises, transformation begins here. You control your systems, your data, your intelligence, your future. Because true innovation isn't about power, it's about purpose. Welcome to the future, guided by ethics, powered by intelligence. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and share it. More digital truths are coming.